that. You can't deny it.
I couldn't even hear what you're saying. You're mumbling.
Shotgun Willie sits around in his underwear, biting on a bullet, pulling out all of his hair. Shotgun Willie got all of his family there. Can't make a record if you ain't got nothing to say. Can't make a record if you ain't got nothing to say. You can't play music if you don't know nothing to play. Well, John T. Flores was working for the Ku Klux Klan. At 6'5", John T. was a hell of a man. He made a lot of money selling sheets on the family plan. I said Shotgun Willie sits around in his underwear, biting on a bullet and pulling out all of his hair. Shotgun Willie got all of his family there. Stoney! Yeah, Shotgun Willie sits around in his underwear, biting on a bullet and pulling out all of his hair. I said Shotgun Willie got all of his family there. Y'all sing along with us just one time, y'all ready? Y'all, just look at your neighbor if you need the words. This is one of the greatest groove country songs I've ever heard in my life. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Shotgun Willie sits around in his underwear, biting on a bullet and pulling out all of his hair. Shotgun Willie got all of his family there. I said Shotgun Willie got all of his family there. Willie Nelson is the king of the world, man.